Let's talk about good deals, pricing, and everything else fun going on in the world of cruising. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. We're a travel agency. Our goal here is to give you the best information possible about cruising so that you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. Today, I'm going to try to hop in every Saturday morning and kind of just go over any cruise deals, good pricing that I'm seeing, anything that's popping up. There are no ads here, so you should be able to watch this ad-free. Just pop in here every Saturday on YouTube, and we're going to talk a little bit about either some destinations. Sometimes we do a destination inspiration. We'll tell you about a fun destination that's got a good sale. But today I'm going to talk to you about a few sales that are coming up. First up is Norwegian Cruise Line. Always have some fun, interesting deals. As you know, right now until the 20th, we have the prepaid gratuities deal going on for certain sailings. There's a lot of sailings in there, but if you are on a brand new ship like Aura, if you have something booked, it's not going to apply. But for the most part, if you are looking to do something later this year, 2027, give us a chat or a call and we could check it out for you. But we do have the prepaid gratuities going on, which means that we will pay your gratuities on your cruise. And by we, I mean Norwegian, not me. So Norwegian will pay your gratuities. We as the travel agent will apply that so that you don't have to pay your gratuities, which is awesome. It is $20 per person per day, so that saves you $140 per person per cruise, which is awesome if you're on a 7-day cruise. Next up, let's talk about the next Cruise Next double up. There are two types of double ups that we see from Norwegian. The first one is a Cruise First double up, which are things that you could purchase at any time. You can call me today and say, I'd like to purchase a Cruise First certificate. Basically, they are usually $150. So you pay $150 and you get $300 of credit for Norwegian, which is a great deal. If you are on a ship and you buy a Cruise Next certificate, those are $250. So when you buy $250, you get $500 credit from Norwegian. That's awesome. So from the 21st of July, coming up real soon, to the 8th of August, you can double up your Cruise Next certificates. Usually you can use one Cruise Next certificate on your sailing. Right now, for that, you can use two. And the cool thing on this is sometimes it's restricted to balcony and above. This is not. You can apply two to any studio, inside, ocean view, balcony, club balcony, suite, or haven. It includes guaranteed categories. A lot of times those are excluded. So if you just have a sail away or a guaranteed balcony, you could still do that as well. So that's really good. That gives you, if you have two of those, basically you're getting $500 in cash there that you can apply to your cruise through those Cruise Next certificates. Remember, if you're on board, it is a really good deal to buy these Cruise Next certificates. Basically, you give them $250, they'll give you two certificates for $500, right? You can do up to four while you're on board, which basically you give them $1,000. They just want your money. They can then make money on that in their savings, and they'll give you 8 Cruise Next certificates, which is great. You basically get $2,000 for $1,000. If you can get free money, take the free money from the cruise lines. It does give you a little bit of a nice option, and you can apply 2 of those, obviously, coming up. For the most part, there are no other great sales going on at the moment. Carnival has like a little bit of a reduced deposit going on and up to a $500 onboard credit. Nothing really great there. Those are pretty standard. During the summer, pretty standard cruising season here, so no great deals at the moment. Free tamarind dinner for 2 on Holland America for certain sailings if you book. Margaritaville at Sea has now opened up back-to-back cruising, so if you're interested in back-to-backs, you can now do those on Margaritaville at Sea. They're also doing a America summer sale from July 9th to August 20th, where you can do 50% off cruises and free 3rd and 4th guests. Again, certain sailings, certain things. You could always email me at jp@bitesizecruises.com or give us a call at 484-493-4482, and we can give you all the details on these. There is a Princess Cyber summer sale, which is $99 deposits on some sailings, which is really great, and free 3rd and 4th guests, certain sailings. Royal Caribbean exclusive specialty dining for 2 very specific sailings on that, but let us know. And that's a great little deal. That is from July 1st to the 31st. So you still have a little bit of time left on that. And Virgin, last but not least, is doing a up to $200 onboard credit. That goes all the way to the end of the year, which is really, really nice. So those are your contemporary cruise line kind of deals that are going on. There are some really good onboard credit offers for luxury cruise lines. So if you're looking for Oceania or Explorer, Regent, and all these, Explorer's got one that's up to $800 onboard credit until the end of the month. That is really nice. Again, these are more expensive cruises. So if you need any help planning your next cruise vacation, shoot me an email and I'm happy to help you. Remember, when you use a travel agent, there is no inherent cost to you. You don't pay us anything. We work really hard for you behind the scenes. We advocate for you. We can help you with any issues that you have. We can help you make all the right decisions on your cruise. You don't pay us a penny. The cruise lines pay us. So that is it for today. Have a wonderful weekend. If you're watching the World Cup tomorrow, enjoy it. Stay inside, away from the smoky Canada wildfire airs here. We're in Philadelphia, New Jersey area, and it is still pretty wild out there. So everyone have a wonderful weekend. I will be live with cruise news tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. We hope to see you there. Have a wonderful day and happy cruising. Bye.